Hi everyone. Well, today we're going to film the bathtub theory of health, and if we have time, we're going to talk a little bit about the best sellers for Eminence Organics skincare line, the #1 professional grade organic skincare line in the world, and absolutely fabulous. I've got about $30,000 in inventory here, and I'm stocked up, so if you need anything like that, let me know. Also, the bathtub theory of health is in my book, Empowered Empath's Diet, High Frequency Nutrition. I call it high frequency nutrition most of the time, and it's a specific guideline for that. And then the other thing I'm getting ready to film is a little bit about helping people with solar, because we feel like that's one of the big things. When our environment is healthy, it helps our body to be healthy, and kind of getting off that electrical grid, saving money, going solar, using the sun's energy. It's one of the naturopathic mediums to help us. And then the other one that I've been working on for quite some time is called Breaking the Habits, or the Rules. And it's all about, food choices, your habits and your culture, family, ego, dealing with shadow, your epigenetics, spiritual bypassing, cognitive dissonance, integrity, and raising your standards and upgrading your epigenetic codes. And so with that being said, today's a long day, and I wish you all well out there, and I hope you're doing good. I sort of did this quick little thing to make sure everything was set up in my home studio. Right now we're sitting in the middle of the facial room, but you wouldn't know it because we've got the Kansas sunshine and sunflowers behind us. You can take the Kansas girl out of Kansas, but you can't take the Kansas out of the Kansas girl. So with that being said, we all have to deal with what we have to deal with today, and I hope it's a beautiful day for you. Bye-bye.